Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is 18th of March, Thursday, 2021, and let me share with you guys today how I analyzed market today and how my traders bank beautiful pips. Right, just quickly recap guys, these are the intraday analysis. If you would like to know about this platform, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's dig into the three major pair as we always discuss. All right, so Euro USD, let's move on to the 4-hour chart. As you can see yesterday, after the FOMC statement, we have this beautiful long. As I mentioned, we had a beautiful long trade. Price nicely hit the previous level. We were expecting might gonna hit 120, but price nicely hit previous high. And afterwards, today we were short on Euro USD. All right, so let me share with you today's analysis on Euro USD intraday analysis. Okay, as you can see here, this morning, around, let me open the pointer. So at around about 7:33, as I said to you, because I analyze market twice a day, just before London Open and the London Open and the New York session. As you can see here, 7:33, I did this analysis, sideways market developed based on the momentum at the bottom. Let me change the color to so we can have, okay, so you can see here at the bottom, momentum was bearish, and that's what we taken this breakout short trade. As always, after the breakout, as long as the momentum is bearish, we have taken another short trade and banked beautiful pips in the morning analysis. This was a pretty straightforward. If you look at here in 4-hour, price nicely respected as soon as we see this rejection, and the price nicely broke on this support line, weekly support, and beautiful, we're taking a pullbacks as you can see here. And at the New York session again, we had another pullback. As you can see here at this level, I did another pullback. Look for pullback, as you can see at the top. This is the analysis, and beautiful pullback short trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, we announced to bank some profit. So you can see that we had a beautiful short trade today on Euro USD. You can see here at the New York session, beautiful. So in the morning, we have sideways market breakout, afternoon pullback short trade on Euro USD. So you can see here as an intraday, we always look at the major support and resistance, define the market buys, and then we take in intraday beautiful short trade here. So if you look at right now, price broken this trend resistance line. So technically, if the price is going to respect 19,000 area, then probably looking a pullback. And if the price gonna break, as an intraday trader, we mainly taking in pullback short trade. As I mentioned, you can see here, we had this breakout. After the breakout, pullback and pullback. So beautiful short trade. We'll let you know tomorrow about this pattern. If we see any bullish engulfing candle, then probably long. Otherwise, we'll let you know tomorrow about Euro USD. Cable, we had interesting trades today because we had a high impact news around 12 p.m. and we had a nice, let's move on to the 4-hour. Let's see what's happening here. As you can see, we had a one trade open yesterday. As I mentioned, you guys, that what first target would be 140,000, which price nicely hit. You can see as soon as the price hit, we can see some sort of rejection. And once we banked the profit, and then later on, basically we had this long trade, bank beautiful pips, and afterwards we had a short trade, and we was keep banking profit as long as the price hit to the support level. All right, so let me share with you the intraday analysis of pound dollar. As I said to you, we were waiting after the news. We had a beautiful trades. Okay, let me share with you. Okay, so this was the analysis yesterday, last night when I was finished my recording. I explained to look for another pullback. We had another beautiful pullback, and afterwards, this morning, price developed sideways market, which we explained to trader look for another breakout. Price nicely broken. As soon as the price was reversing it, explained to trader it's time to tighten your stop loss or banking few pips. So after that, just before the news release, we explained to trader wait for the news, and we're going to analyze market after the news. So you can see after the news, you can see price nicely, momentum was developed bearish, and that's what we explained to trader. After the news, look for pullback. You can see here one pullback. Afterwards, we have another second pullback as long as the momentum is bearish. As you can see, the price nicely hit to the over final target, and beautiful short trade after the news today on pound dollar. This was the analysis during London morning session. At the New York session, you can see here we explained to trader based on the momentum we were looking another pullback, but if you look at in the 4-hour, price was at this level. So I explained to trader possibility price might going to reverse. So if you don't get pullback here at this level, then wait for the price break, and after the breakout, come back, retest, give us the confirmation, then we're going to be taking a long trade. And that's what I explained around at the New York session. We were watching in 4-hour, price was at this level. As you can see, we haven't seen pullback here broken as after the breakout price retest as mentioned in the analysis. So and the target was the 200 EMA, and price nicely developed bank few pips. We had another pullback. So this was the New York session, and also basically I update analysis as soon as my trader request. They need a clear information to long, so I also update this analysis instantly as soon as I get request from the traders. You can see here we had another pound dollar. I just updated that analysis. So anytime when the trader request, so I said to guys, this is the safest way to look at. So they took a long trade and banked beautiful pips. And afterwards, you can see here, beautiful being an intraday trader around about 15-20 pips twice, beautiful pips. And I explained to trader, if the price gonna stay below this white line, then we probably not gonna see the breakout. And afterwards, you can see here price developer consolidation. So tomorrow we can see here if the price is going to stay above the support level, which is broken here after the breakout retest. That's what exactly the first priority. And if the price gonna break this 200 EMA in 4-hour, there is possibility price might gonna hit this level too again. But we'll let you know tomorrow. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. We use this system, and that's why we trade. So right now you can see here price develop another pattern. It's look like a bull flag pattern, but momentum is developing bearish. We'll let you know tomorrow about this consolidation. Even if in 4-hour you can see consolidation is developed. All right, so we'll let you know tomorrow about pound dollar. Let's move on to the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a very interesting trades, and let's move on to the 4-hour. As you can see, yesterday we had a beautiful short trade and banked beautiful pips. Today, when we see this rejection, and afterwards, especially when we see this candle, and that's what happens, market makers bank, clean all this mess, and then continue, and then we have taken all these pullbacks. So let me share with you the analysis, intraday analysis on dollar CAD. And if you look at here, this is the analysis. Okay, this is the analysis. As you can see here in the London morning session, we explained to trader, let's wait for the price developer pattern. And if you look at here, as I mentioned here, you can see a head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder. So as explained to trader, if the price is going to break and the momentum was developed bullish, so I say guys, we're mainly looking on long trade here. So you can see here price nicely broken here based on the momentum. Our first target was 200 EMA, final target was this one. As soon as the price hit, we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. So we give all that information through live audio commentary. So we basically continuously watching those analyses. As soon as this opportunity is raised, we broadcast and we discuss with the traders in a live trading environment. All right, so let's see. I did another analysis at the New York session. We had a beautiful, as you can see, price when hit this level, then I explained to trader, look, this is the level which you can see here, price respected previously, so possibility of pullback at this level. So what happened here afterwards? Pullback. That was the first priority, because the most of the traders were thinking price might going to come back at this level. And as I said to my trader, we're going to trade what we see it. So the most important thing is, if we want to take a counter, we need a breakout and the retest confirmation, but we haven't seen any confirmation. As soon as the price broke on this orange EMA, we announced through live audio commentary it's a long position. Beautiful. At the bottom you can see momentum was developed bullish, so beautiful pullback long. And afterwards we explained to trader, look for another pullback. You can see here, based on the momentum, as soon as the price hit and the 4 level at this level, you can see here in 4-hour previous high, and that time we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. So all these things happening in real time. So alright guys, so that's what we have done it today with all these 3 major currency pair. We have done all the pairs too, and tomorrow is Friday. We'll see tomorrow. As you can see here, as I always mention, once we were expecting at this pullback at this level, as I mentioned yesterday, but we haven't seen anything, any rejection. So look like this is the false breakout, is the sign of continue. And if you look at right now, the price is broken this trend resistance, and if the price gonna stay above that level, probably tomorrow we might gonna take a pullback long trade. And if the price come back, and if we see any counter short trade, then possibility of pullback short trade. As I said to you guys, we always keep an eye on intraday, because this is the system we use for entry and exit based on the bias in 4-hour. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all these analyses. We also had a beautiful trades from different other pairs. We had a Aussie dollar, we had a beautiful trades. Let me open the Aussie dollar just to give you quickly. I'm not going to go in details, but I'm just going to show you here. You can see this is the morning analysis, 7:30, and breakout and pullback, and in the New York session another breakout short trade. Beautiful short trade. We had a beautiful short trade in euro yen. You can see this was the breakout. After the breakout, pullback short trade. All right guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all these analysis for 3 major currency pair. We'll let you know tomorrow how we trade it on all these pairs. So if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the 4-hour analysis, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, as always mentioned, we provide full Forex coaching and training through this platform. Main objective is to train trader with the live market, with the live analysis. So that's what exactly the best way to develop the trading skill. We provide all that information, fundamental, technical, market, sentiments, everything in a live environment. So if you're confused about taking any position, you can message me straight away. We'll give you the answer straight away. And that's what we're going to develop. That's why we help other traders to develop their trading skill. So even if you're struggling, I'm pretty sure you're going to develop trading skill very effectively, fast in the platform. Even if you're an experienced trader, you have seen this is all price action. So you definitely going to enjoy all this pipping alongside with my professional trader. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Feel free, book one-to-one consultation. Link is given in the video description. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.